Hey guys, gals, how you going? Alright, so this car, this 80 series, came with a brand new water pump. Perfect condition, and told me straight away that it was going to have some sort of heat problems. So yeah, obviously it had some heat problems. I've dropped the thermostat out of that. I haven't put it back together yet, but I'm finding some really nasty butchered stuff on this car. Like someone's tried to get the thermostat out before. One of the bolts was nuts was rounded off. Got that out, and I'll show you how I get rounded bolts out, rounded nuts out, undone, however, whatever. Anyway, so I'm putting in new water pump. I'll lift this up and give you a look. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to grab you on the tits. There we go. So in here, you'll see this bolt, this nut, this one here. Hang on, let's see if we can get some better angles. There we go. So this nut here, that's rounded. Cannot. Spanner just rolls around it. We'll get the right size on it. It's 12mm, and that's all it does. Just slips straight off. There you go. Let's round it off a bit more, just to make it even harder to get out. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how I go about getting rounded off nuts undone. A lot of people will go for a set of vice grips, clamp it down real tight, whack it with a hammer. That'll do it, but I couldn't be stuffed mucking around with that. I'm just going to go for the big gun straight up. This won't do it. No time flat. I'm just going to get it in on the right angle. Get the chisel on it. If I can get the chisel to sit in the right angle. This is the hardest part about this. There we go. Are we ready? And another hit. I think that spun it. No, it didn't spin it. Come on. Come on, baby. And if it doesn't actually undo it, it'll just cut through the bloody thing. There we go, that's got it. Just hit it again, just to make sure. There we go, that's got it undone. Minimum fuss. I can now get the thermo fan off. So, get in here. Oh, it's still tight. I should have maybe hit that one more time. Do that, baby, one more time. Oh, play the game. Play the game. There we go. Now it's loose. Whew! Did I mention it's stinking hot? I can get in there now and just undo the nuts by hand. And get this thermo fan off. I'm really considering putting, it's not thermo fan, it's viscous fan. So I get this viscous fan off, and I'm seriously considering putting don't, woohoo! Well, so what I was actually trying to say there, when the camera cut out, I'm seriously considering getting rid of the viscous fan and replacing it with a couple of, I don't know, 16 or 18 inch thermo fans. So I think that'll work a bit better. And one of the reasons I want to do that is thinking down the track that if I'm doing water crossings, I want to be able to turn the fans off so you don't actually damage fan blades and break blades and put blades through, through the radiator and all that sort of stuff. So that's the thinking behind that. Anyway, right, we'll give that another go. Try and put it on the right way this time. There we go. I should just be able to slip my new water pump on. Where to put my new water pump? There it is, right behind me. That's better. The right way helps. Alright, well that's about it for this video. Just a little bit of a shorter one today. I've just got a couple of things to do on this. I've just got to put that, where are we? We get right down there. Okay, so I've just got to put that thermostat housing back into place. I'll chuck some water and some coolant in it, fire it up, make sure it's not leaking. I do have some jobs coming up on this that may be a bit of interest to some people. Jobs that I've never actually done before. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I have actually been doing this work. There's plenty more to come. Have a look at this. The steering damper's shot. I'm also going to check out, I'm going to get under, I'm going to check the diffs, both front and rear diffs, make sure they're right. I'll probably do seal kits in, do rear axle seals and wheel bearings and all that sort of stuff. Lots of stuff to do. Lots of fun to have, but it's going to be more fun. I guarantee it's going to be more fun once this thing's built and I'll go out trying to break it. Drop us a comment, let me know what you think. Any ideas you might have, maybe something I'm doing wrong. I'm no qualified mechanic. I'm just doing this by feel and sheer ass. That's about it. Drop us a line, give us a thumbs up. Cheers. And don't forget to comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share it with everybody and tell everybody about it. And all right, catch us later. Cheers, bye.